guys, what is up? And today, you guys really liked the last one of these, my most viewed video by far, how to get Discord Nitro for free. So, this one is a sequel basically to the last video, which I will link in the description if you want to see the other way. This is another way to get Discord Nitro for free. So, along with giveaways on this channel, this server, Gaming Heaven, which is a great server. I definitely recommend it. It's really sick. It's actually sponsoring this video. I'll leave the link in the description for that. But anyways, um, so the second way to do it is actually, so if any of you guys have social media, which I assume a lot of you do, since you're on YouTube watching this, um, Discord has Discord has social media, like different social media accounts, and if you follow them and like watch where they post on different holidays like Christmas, and I've seen maybe Halloween, um, they will give away Discord Nitro to like 1,000 people maybe, or 100 people. They will give it away, and you can enter those giveaways if you follow them. So just follow Discord on all the social medias. Make sure that you have it there so that you're watching if they ever do any giveaways, especially on Christmas. I know they definitely do it for Christmas. So always watch those. This was just a short clip I wanted to get out to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to shout out in my next video, then you can join my Discord, subscribe, and fill out the shout out form. My Discord will also be in the link in the description, gaming training. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to smile.